right?
If it's easy to, it's not easy, but if it's easy, cool. Like something, like the bull and the
Okay.
Pegasus, you know, um,
What do you think about these pages? What do you think about it? You know,
yeah,
this,
Osro,
you know,
everything that you guys have done is beautiful, man.
so you want this one,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah, yeah,
here you will have your images and everything, like everything, and here we will describe our businesses, little bit about you, and the home page about our goals, then little bit about our company, you know uh, then the services we will provide, a little bit about describe our services,
yeah,
then how our credit repair, by how our business will be done, and how we can help other peoples, you know
yeah,
so we don't need the pricing page. So you like this one?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
We will customize, we will we will of course we will customize it, like we will uh, you know replace the colors
and,
here, because red is not a good color, but it will match, because I saw your logo and it is red.
yeah.
So it
Red
will
and
even
black.
be, yeah, so it will eventually match. It is also red and black,
Yeah,
so we can replace this image here, this image, and we will replace it with an animation, and I will choose different kind of animation, but I have to choose the home page. And the I in the few days ago you said about the bunker, so we will design that page like that, like the website you send me. So it doesn't matter, we will design everything. Then you also said you would like something about drop shipping, so we will add that page, no problem, in the back end, like this, service page, service page category. So we will add that.
well, it's where right, yeah, where they could click on, there's the home, and then there's the services, and then page number, and then like, holy shit, these guys are selling, they're selling they're selling stuff out of Bangladesh. People are like, damn, George, really? And I'm like, yeah, I got my man
Yeah, man.
Osro. So, I think because I have people in Colombia, and you guys are out there, anything that is touchable, that you can touch. Oh, I know where the factories. I know the vice president, or I know the person who's in production. I could get 1,000 shirts. I could get 1,000 shoes. I could get why not put it on there? You know,
Absolutely, you're right.
go
Yeah,
directly
so
to the source. You know,
mhm. All right, man. So let's choose then this theme. I will add this theme like an home page, like landing page. But we
okay,
will make the other page, like like the type of business. So if it's kind of e-commerce or drop shipping, then the page will look like the e-commerce, when people can click and buy from the website,
right,
especially. Yeah.
right, yes.
So we will make that page, like that. So it's not a problem for
But
us.
but Osro, but you know the business of Amazon, right?
I know a little bit about the Amazon. Yeah.
You know, I used to work with Amazon. You know, they they let you, especially here in America, it's different. When I was in Colombia,
Yeah.
they don't give you access to, like certain warehouses, and to become a seller, right? but since because of the Federal Trade Commission, because of Banking Commission, because of this, because you're taking credit cards, but all kinds of stuff, right? Now that I'm here, you and the team can also, through the company, you know, through the LLC. Like I said, you say, George, you know what? I can find Versace shirts and pants, 1,000. So that's 1,000, or anything that you could think of. You know, um, we just have to find the way how to get it here to America, and put it up in Amazon. I I don't know, man. You know, I have to talk to somebody who knows about that, about the drop shipping is um, there's a company called Canvas. There's a company that's called Printify. You know, that's automatic. You know,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
it's all on autoplay, and so that would be the thing. What could we get Americans to do? Americans right now, uh, they're focused on security, on the diet, on traveling. Like that was another thing. If you go to Google Flights, you can find sometimes better deals. They tell you to fly on Wednesday at 3 p.m. or something, or Wednesday at 11 p.m. for the best money deal. Um, where we could invite other companies to be listed on our webpage as a I talked to a personal injury attorney, a lawyer, and I tell him, okay, we're gonna charge, um, I don't know, $1,000 or $2,000 a month, but I'll ask him that $1,000,000 question: how many? Because there's 50 states in America, or 51, including Hawaii and all that shit, right? How many states you as a lawyer can work? Oh, I can work Arizona, I can work Texas, I could work, okay. Because I worked with an attorney who had the license in Rhode Island, Delaware, and Massachusetts. So his landing page, anytime in those IP addresses, anytime you put car, accident, broken foot, dog bite, it would bam, it would go straight to him.
Yeah, we
So
can do that.
yeah, yeah. Hmm.
Okay, so then let's make the landing page like that. Okay.
Yes.
All right, man. So that's the main thing that I was struggling a little bit because the homepage is the main thing, because people are gonna look this page at first, and if they got they got a better impression, that then it's a high chance then they will take our services. So the homepage is very, homepage need to be very good, especially. So let's make this in the homepage, and we will design the rest of the page according to you, according to the
Okay.
services.
Hey, Osro, let me ask you something.
Yeah, man.
You have a mall, right? Do you have Western Union over there? Western Union?
Yeah, we have Western Union. Yeah,
You have Western Union?
yeah, we have.
Okay. So I need the full name the full name. The how is it? The full name. Yeah, remember it
তুমি
has to
বলো
be
এটার জন্য যা যা লাগবে আমরা পাঠিয়ে দিব, সমস্যা নাই।
first name, middle name, last name. If you have a second last name, anything that's on your ID.
Yeah.
So you could pick up the money in Western Union.
Yeah, absolutely. We will give you everything that you need, that is required to send you the money. We'll give you everything.
No. Me send you money. Me send you
Yeah,
money.
yeah. So everything you need to send us the money. So we will
Okay.
send you everything.
Okay. So that's where my thoughts are to make it all make sense. A landing page that is very freaking aggressive. So basically, the company is, you call us if you need a Indian doctor. Where are you located? Oh, I'm in New York, but I'm looking for a lady Indian doctor, and she's got to be. She had to graduate from. She had to graduate from New Delhi. So we look okay. So for the service, so we charge her the services for finding that doctor that she wants. Oh, Joe, hey, you guys, you know what? I'm looking for a mechanic because this guy's trying to charge me $2,000. Okay, we'll charge you right now. Where are you located? Oh, I'm in Pennsylvania. Yeah, where in Pennsylvania? What are the cross streets? How how much are you willing and able to pay for your service for the mechanic? Because we're gonna charge you a finder's fee. Everything's gonna be a finder's fee. Finder's fee. We'll find it for you.
And man, look, like I said, how you are going to find those clients. We are here. We will find it.
Yeah,
We will
yeah.
find it for you.
And it'll grow. It'll grow. Oh, I'm
Yeah,
looking for
absolutely,
an
man.
accountant. I'm looking for my boyfriend's boyfriend. I don't know, but anything that we can find our clientele, we'll do it. From the bottom of our heart. Every like I think it was like anything under the sun for your business and your family.
Yeah, absolutely. So, so you just need to do one thing. You have to send me all the services in your mind. Like right now, you have just like you said, you have to send me like
Yeah,
I gave you a doc file. So write me everything in your mind inside the doc file. You know when you have time. I know that
but
today
but do
and
you have?
tomorrow you will be available.
But do you guys have the AI
Yeah, we have.
systems? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we have.
AI. Okay. So the AI, once I send you that shit, you tell the computer to write it up. Make the rough draft of the website, and then you guys tweak it. Yeah.
Bam, man.
Because
It, it
did
will
you
work.
did you see the little bit of work I did GoDaddy? Did you see the website?
Yeah, I
You know?
saw that.
Yeah, and I don't know anything. So let me see what else. Okay, I'll just put everything together as much as I can. But BPO call center services.
Yeah.
I talked to one of my old bosses, and
Yeah.
I asked him, okay, we're gonna be operational pretty soon here. Is there anything that we can do? I told Jimmy the same thing. So, mm, do you know that company IGT Solutions? IGT.
No, I don't know about the solution.
They own. They're an Indian company. IGT. Put it right there. They're in India, and they own the fuck. What's the name of that airlines? The Indian Airlines. Yeah, I used to work in this company, and if you look at the locations,
Yeah.
They have entry level. They have everything.
Hey man, that's a perfect.
They're all over
You
the
you
world.
like
But
you like this? You like this design?
this design,
Hey, we will make it better. We will make it better. No worries. But yeah, this is kind of look cool though. About the services that they are providing. A lot of services they are providing.
yeah. But this is an Indian company, man, and they're in America. They're all over the world, man. I used to work with them.
Oh, yeah, I got it. I got
বলো
it.
আমরা এর থেকে ভালো কিছু দিতে পারবো, সমস্যা নাই, চিন্তা করার কারণ নাই।
I got it. I got it, man. All right, George. So
Okay.
let's mix the website.
Yeah,
Look better than this.
I like you guys' website. Just make sure it has some strong things in there.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely, we will do that. No worries about it. Okay.
Okay. All right.
All right, George. So it's your
Okay.
rest day. Take a rest, man, and talk soon. Have a nice day. Thank you
Yeah,
so
I'll
much.
work on that today. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste to you guys. Okay.
Okay, have a nice day, George. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna invite my family today to go and eat some hot curry chicken.
Hey, absolutely. Let's do it then. Okay.
All right, man. Okay.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care,
Bye.
guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
ওকে, বাই।
Bye.